Subject of this video is Viva Insights. You can access Viva Insights by clicking on the waffle and then browsing and clicking on Insights. So Insights allows you to plan some quiet time, well-being time, plan your productivity, blocking out lunch hour or your workout time. You know, you can send someone praise, enter the email address. You can say awesome, enter a message to them, thank you. You can set a background color. Click send. Next is the focus time. So do you want to block out time where you can exercise or walk the dog, or you've got certain administrative tasks you want to complete? This just helps you plan your days out. And I've used a planner forever. One of the best courses I ever attended was planning my weeks and months out, so that you can get things accomplished. And then here we're going to configure some quiet time. And weekends are never quiet for me, so just during the week, I get my admin tasks carried out and get the day ready to go, get my planning done, set my lunch hours. That'll just book a reminder, and we'll leave that as it is. And that's Oreo the wolf dog. No matter what I do, I can't do a video without her reminding me to take her for a walk. Then we'll just set the schedule. And let's go back. So that set virtual commute reminders. If you're got some travel going on, you want to block that out, you can do that as well. I think it's just a matter of, looking at your work style and deciding how you want to plan that out. If you want to block time so people know you're traveling, or you're walking the dog, or you've got meetings, this tool set just helps you plan the day out and think ahead. So you've got music you can play as well. And then there's recommendations and there's statistics that you can look at. Well-being, productivity. Some interesting stats. You can look at your work week and your past work week. So I hope you found the video useful. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.